Hey guys, I'm here with the Piscifun Torrent Baitcasting reel. This reel retails for $39.99 on Piscifun's website and on Amazon. We are going to compare it to the Garcia Black Max, a very popular reel in the price range of the Torrent, the Black Max, $49.99 at retail. So first thing we're going to look at is the gear ratio. The Piscifun Torrent has a 7.1 to 1 gear ratio. That's 30 inches of line coming through the reel with every turn of the handle. The Black Max 6.4 to 1 gear ratio, so that's 26 inches of line per turn of the handle. You see this oversized handle, that's kind of a power handle from Piscifun. That is something that is exclusive to this reel over the Black Max, which has a much smaller profiled handle. You also see the oversized EVA knobs, grips on the reel. The Garcia Black Max has a rubberized coating on their handles, which are smaller as well. Next thing to look at is the bearing count. This Piscifun Torrent has 6 bearings total, 5 main bearings plus that roller bearing. So 5 plus 1, 6 total bearings. The Garcia is 4 plus 1, so 5 total bearings. They have the 4 main bearings and the roller bearing. Both come with a pretty standard magnetic braking system. You can hear that click. 1 to 10 option for both of them. Take that off quick. You can see the magnets in there. Both very standard magnetic braking systems. Drag. This is where these two reels start to differ a little bit. Although both have 18 pounds of max drag, the Piscifun Torrent has carbon fiber drag washers, which reduce weight in the reel as well as are stronger. They hold up better over time. They don't compress. So the carbon fiber drag washer is a big deal. You see them a lot in higher end baitcasting reels. The Black Max comes with the more traditional synthetic drag washers. So both though do have 18 pounds of max drag, and the spool sizes are very, very similar. The Piscifun holds 30 pounds braid, 120 yards of it, and the Black Max can hold 140 yards of 30-pound braid. So just a little bigger spool, or a little deeper spool on the Black Max overall. But in the pricing category, both very, very successful. This Torrent, definitely a reel for both beginners and professionals alike. And in the $40 category, it stands up really well with anybody in that specific price range, and definitely is worth a look if you're looking for a new baitcasting reel in the $40 to $80 price range. So check them out. This is the Piscifun Torrent, and you can go on their Facebook or online and see what's up.